A very good morning to all the teachers. Here is our art integration project. Class 10th A subject mathematics. Topic GDP rate in Assam. Group members are Akash Manjara, Devansh Vyas, Devansh Khatri, Ayan Ali, Manthan Khatri, and Avinash Singh. Economy of Assam. Assam's economy is based on agriculture and oil. Assam produces more than half of India's tea. The Assam Arakan Basin holds about a quarter of the country's oil reserves and produces about 12% of its total petroleum. According to the recent estimates, Assam's per capita GDP is rupees 6,157 at constant prices 1993-1994 and rupees 10,195-98 at current prices, almost 40% lower than that in India. According to the recent estimates, per capita income in Assam has reached rupees 6,756 in 1993-1994 constant prices in 2004 to 2005, which is still much lower than India's. Line graph of per capita income at fixed prices. Population in Assam. The total population of Assam was 26.66 million with 4.91 million household in 2001. Higher population concentration was recorded in the districts of Kanpur, Nagon, Sonitpur and Chachar. Assam's population was estimated at 28.67 million in 2006 and at 30.57 million by 2011 and is expected to reach 34.18 million by 2021 and 35.60 million by 2026 as per the census 2011 census. The total population of Assam was as per the 2011 census. The total population of Assam was 31 lakh. As per the 2011 census, the total population of Assam was 3 crore 11 lakh 69,272. The total population of the state has increased from 2 crore 66,038 2 crore 66 lakh 38,407 to 3 crore 11 lakh 69,272 in the last 10 years with a growth rate of 16.93 percentage. Bar graph of population density in Assam. Caste distribution in Assam. According to the 2011 census, 61.47% were Hindus, 34.22% were Muslim, Christians, minorities 3.7% are found among the scheduled tribe and caste population. The ST population in the Assam is around 13%, of which Bodos account for 40%. Other religions followed Other religions followed include Jainism 0.1%, Buddhism 0.2%, Sikhism 0.1%, and animism among Khat- Khamti, Phake, Ainton, etc. communities. Many Hindus in Assam are followers of the Ekasarana Dharma sect of Hindus, which gave rise to Namgar, designed to be simpler places of worship than traditional Hindu temple. Out of 32 districts of Assam, 9 are Muslim majority. According to the 2011 census of India, the districts are Dhubri, Golpara, Barpeta, Murigaon, Nagon, Karimganj, Hel, Helakandi, Darang, and Bangoi, Bangaigon. Pie chart of caste distribution in Assam. Caste distribution percentage. Hindu 61.41% in green color. In pink Muslim 34.22 percentage. In yellow Christians 3.7 percentage. In maroon color Jainism, Buddhism, Sikh minus 0.4 percentage. Population of male and female in Assam in year 1901 to 2011 year. Here is graph of population of male and female in Assam. Age distribution in Assam.